Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Prabir Ghosh,
author of.
Amar Tukro Bhabna. It's a Bengali book.
So sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
Oh, it's a great experience. In fact, I have been to Calcutta Book Fair a number of times and used to go there. But the just size of the fair, the way it is presented, and the number of displays, it's really incredible.
What is your book about, sir?
You see, this is basically, I would sum up. It's basically some series of my thoughts at different time.
Right.
Actually, if you see the time frame, because in each poem, which is basically a poem.
Right.
So if you see the timeline is basically started from 2019 till 2022.
Right.
And out of which mainly it was the COVID period.
Okay.
When our mental time frame was completely different because we became more philosophical, seeing the real what can happen in reality, which we never thought. So during that period, exactly each day the type of thought which came in my mind, I wanted to pen it down.
Right.
So that's why it is basically called Amar Tukro Bhabna, means a small bouquet of my feelings at a particular time.
Right. Can you give us like 2 lines about your book in Bengali to our viewers?
এই বইটা হচ্ছে অ্যাকচুয়ালি আসলে আমার মনের বিভিন্ন সময়ে যে মাথায় আমার এসছে যেরকম চিন্তাগুলো, সেগুলো আসলে আমি আমার নিজের ভাবটাকে আমার নিজের ভাষায় প্রকাশ করেছি। সেই জন্য নামও হচ্ছে আমার টুকরো ভাবনারা। আমার এক একটা ভাবনাগুলোকে লিখে প্রকাশ করা, এইটুকুই বলতে পারি। এটাকে কবিতা বলা যায় কিনা আমি জানি না, কিন্তু এটা আমার নিজের মনের ভাব, সেই মুহূর্তের ভাবটা আমি নিজের মতো করে প্রকাশ করেছি স্বতঃস্ফূর্তভাবে।
Unfortunately, I don't understand it, but it sounded beautiful everything you said. But yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being here.
It's a
Have
real
a
honor.
wonderful book fair.
Thank you.
Thank you.